Hello mga pamangking! Kumusta na ang lahat? At napaka-exciting ng ating episode ngayon dahil we are in the presence of greatness. Meron tayong special
Definitely.
guest ngayon na narinig naman natin had a really significant achievement for him as an individual and us as a community. And it's none other than our very own and beloved Mark Chester Chua, also known as Sunrise. So
Hey.
welcome. Welcome,
Hello,
Mark.
hello.
Ayun, salamat naman at pinaunlakan mo ang aming invitation. Siyempre, magtatalakayan tayo ngayon tungkol sa, about you and about the achievement. But first, let's get to know you. So, uh, of course, we'd like you if you could introduce yourself really quick. And tsaka sabihin nyo na rin kung ano yung history mo dito sa TCGs. Siguro, konting
Ah,
his background lang.
ECG background. Well, nung mga 20, around 2012,
Mm,
2011, ganyan, naglaro ang Magic for a bit,
okay.
legacy format. Ayun, pero naglaro din naman digital TCGs. Like, nag-Yu-Gi-Oh! Sa Nintendo DS, gano'n.
Ah,
Tapos, yun lang, ano pa ba? Hearthstone a bit. Tapos, I don't know if you would consider TCG ang Marvel Snap.
oh
Pero
yeah, Marvel
naglaro
Snap.
din ako nun for a year,
Nag-Marvel
yun
Snap
lang.
ako din.
Technically counted siya.
Yeah,
Ah.
technically
Kaya
count.
medyo
Digital.
familiar sila Kawa at Tessie as content
Mm,
creator. Kasi
because
they
Marvel Snap
started
players
Marvel
sila.
Snap din,
Oo.
yun lang naman. Ta's ayun na,
Y-
Lorcana na next.
Hindi, pero yun nga, how did you get into Lorcana? Ano yung parang story on how you got
Ah,
enticed to play Lorcana?
yung mga 2025, January yun, 'di ba?
Mm.
When I came in. Ano lang, kasi nung like before nun, I was collecting Pokemon for a
Pero
few months.
collector lang, hindi ka
Collecting lang
nagko-compete.
ta's naano ako, "Bakit ganito ang tataas ng presyo ng
Ah,
ng mga packs." Ta's parang
Lorcana.
nadismaya ako ta's naghanap ako ng ibang TCG, ayun.
ganun pala. Lalo na pala,
Ah,
Pokemon's loss is Lorcana's gain naman pala. Ayun. Anyway, so you're a relatively young player nga pala in the community since last year. Then again, most of us are relatively young dahil nga young pa din yung TCG na to. But parang yun nga eh, did you have any inkling na parang that you would get this competitive sa Lorcana?
hmm, wala naman kasi well, I usually net deck but I play
No
for
shame
fun
in that.
naman. I'm not that, I'm not too competitive but well, I read up on guides and stuff. Pero yeah, it's fun to win but siyempre masaya pa rin yung yung like everybody's happy, the community is happy, gano'n.
Mm. Ayun, speaking of the community, let's get into that. Ngayon na naka-experience ka na lahat tayo naka-experience na nung DLC nung nandun tayo sa Hong Kong. Ano yung mga nakita mong differences or similarities between the PH and the international communities? Kung may na-observe ka lang, kung meron ka lang na-observe. How
Hmm,
did it feel interacting with an international crowd and the local crowd? For better or for worse?
actually parang same lang, eh, like mababait lahat ng tao. Like
Mm,
nung naalala ko 'di ba we went to do side events?
yeah.
Tas yung isang local there, kasi if you win 0 or 1 wins dun sa side event, in
Mhm.
record mo, you get the same amount of tickets.
Ah,
So sabi niya, he was already 2 losses I think. So nung naglaro kami sabi niya, "Oh sa'yo na lang yung win para at least
para
may additional
makakuha.
tickets."
Oo.
Oo, yan bait din, eh, like 'di ba yung mga pros din na nilapitan natin gano'n, parang
Mm,
mababait naman sila lahat.
yeah. Well, actually, yun nga, I think it also goes to show that no matter where, the Lorcana community is very welcoming. Di ba? Yun din isa sa mga sinasabi dito sa Pilipinas, di ba? Na yung mga nag-shift dito, parang ba't ang babait ng mga tao sa Lorcana? Which is,
Yeah.
which is strange to them, but really, to us, it's normal because I guess it's the Disney magic, di ba?
Yeah.
Magic. Pwede naman sabihin yun. Anyway, now that, yun nga, nandito na tayo, it has been, how is it, 2 weeks, 3 weeks since that thing happened when you got top 4 in DLC Hong Kong, and yes, of course, and brought home a golden Mickey for the Philippines na homegrown. No disrespect to Justin, but
And
and
Rafaelo, no
Rafaelo, yeah,
disrespect.
who are also bona fide Filipino
Golden Mick,
Golden Mickey,
Filipino.
yeah, winners. Anyway, how has it been? Has the achievement sunk in yet? And yun nga, how does it feel? How are you feeling right now? Na-process mo na ba? Na ano?
Parang hindi pa naman, parang wala lang, okey lang, ganyan lang. Parang naglaro lang tayo sa LGS, gano'n.
Wow,
Parang
just
feel
another
ko kasi
tournament.
until now na ano, na sobrang sinerte lang. So ayun, parang
Yeah, you're taking,
mas
sorry.
mas parang na-appreciate ko na, hmm, yung support niyo, gano'n, na
Ah,
nag-stay kayo until the end. Parang in my head nga hindi ko maalala yung moment na nakapasok ako ng top 4. I don't know reaction ko dun kung sobrang saya ko or what. Pero naalala after every match magta-thumbs up lang ako
yeah.
na magsisenya sa inyo, eh.
And then
Yun lang.
magsisigawan kami.
Oh,
Oh!
tas kami naman yung nagwa-wild dun sa dun sa sideline, no.
Kami yung mga yayers. Yay!
Kailangan focused eh.
Oo, grabe yung focus nun parang pero nung dumating na ng top 4 kinabahan na ako kasi featured match din.
Actually, yun nga hinahalata ko din eh. Nanginginig yung kamay mo
Yeah,
dun
na
sa
feeling ko,
screen.
napansin ko din eh.
But it's
So,
natural. Natural naman yun.
so kahit na nandun tayo to support, di ba parang ang ingay natin, dun kayo umalis kayo.
Pinaalis kami nung
Binanish kami to the to the stands. Tapos
Mm,
doon ko nakita actually yung yung mga Cebu peeps. So
mm,
again, shoutout sa kanila. Ako hindi ako magsasawang mag-shoutout sa kanila kasi
yeah.
even sila na feel ko
Hmm.
yung kanilang support eh, no. Pagdating ko doon sa likod parang, oh, nandito kayo lahat sa nunod, no? And maybe hindi pa nakakwento kay Mark to na as we were watching, kada play mo parang, oo, gano'n. Tas parang, uy, ito yung pini-play nung kalaban, no? Where there were actually 2 televisions at the back. Yung isang side, puro mga Pinoy, tapos yung isang side, puro mga taga Hong Kong. Kasi si
Ah,
Freeman yung kanilang
Freeman,
sinu-support, no? So, parang in the end, siyempre I guess personally feeling ko pagod na din, everybody was
Mm.
tired. So it affected I feel yung play mo. So would you say that that happened? Oo.
actually hindi naman sa tired pero kinakabahan.
Nerves lang
Dahil
talaga.
Nerves
Yeah.
talaga.
I think, um, looking back at it parang yung featured match medyo nagmamadali ako
Mm.
compared to my other matches na hindi ako nakaano.
Although, if that was you in a hurry, wow, you must be a very patient person. Kasi yung comment namin nung nanonood kami, parang, lalo na si Sher, sinasabi niya na, grabe ang patient ni Mark. Parang, kung ako yan, nag-quest na ako eh. Parang may mga ganun siya mga comments. So, and ako din, especially, di ba? Medyo naging, I'm known to be a reckless questor. So, parang ako din, parang, hindi ko din kaya yan, dude. Parang, nagmamadali ka pa nun.
Hindi, I mean sa decision making
Sa
kasi
decision making.
I feel I could have waited it out somewhere kasi parang binibilang ko na ink niya, eh, ta's
Mhm.
iniisip ko, 'pag 6 ink may Demona na 'to, yung parang gano'n.
Yeah. Okay,
Like
okay.
I guess
Anticipating.
if if I had more time siguro I would have waited it out somewhere. Hindi ako nagmadali na i-quest na.
Hmm.
Mhm.
So, yun nga,
So
still.
would you feel na na given that it's a featured match, iba yung pressure as compared to just like regular out of out of feature,
Yeah.
no?
For me, yes.
Oo.
For
Well,
me, yes.
totoo
Kasi
naman.
talagang ano eh. Actually, may naririnig akong sumisigaw-sigaw. Parang kayo ata yun.
Kami yun.
Kaya nga kami
Kami yun.
pinalis.
Kaya kami pinalis eh.
kahit na ano, yung noise cancelling rinig pa rin eh.
Sorry. Kaya pala
Pero
kami
delayed
pinalis.
Kasalanan
ata yung
namin yun.
stream kasi parang minsan wala sa amin nangyayari tapos sumisigaw. May narinig akong sigaw.
Yeah. Malamang yun nasa likod yun, yung mga may stream. Yun na mga
Ah.
nanonood ng stream, kaya medyo delayed. Delayed
Yung
naman
nagsising
talaga.
together.
Anyway, going back to that to that run nga, no. Kasi yun nga, you're always very humble, and that's what we really love about you. So, and you've always said na parang sinuwerte, which, we believe it too. Talaga naman, luck plays a factor. But if you were to take out that out of the equation, yung luck na yun, what would you say was the quality that allowed you to go on that top 4 run? Di ba? Yung parang, what would be yung parang defining style mo as a player, or parang what was that factor that made you get there if luck was not factored in?
Siguro ano, yung nawala sa top 4 sa feature match, dapat calm lang.
Yung
Kasi,
patience, calmness, ganun.
parang kasi nung mga hindi ako featured match.
Mhm.
Parang yung mental ko, parang 1 game at a time lang. Hindi ako natitilt. Kasi 'di ba round 1 ko natalo ako kay Nathan.
Mhm.
Pero yung mga succeeding match, wala sa isip ko yun. Parang 1 game at a time lang talaga.
Well, yun nga kasi 'di ba, like you only play who's in front of you, 'di ba? So
Ah,
why bother iisipin mo pa yung something else or yung susunod meron kang kaharap. So parang point of respect na din naman yun na siya yung focus mo, 'di ba?
Mm.
I think nakatulong yung mask. Baka next time mag-mask na ulit
Yung
ako.
face mask.
Parang parang akong parang yung mga kalesa, yung mga kabayo na
Yung
Yung may
focus
blinders,
sob
may ganun.
sobrang focus ko nun eh, nung naka-mask ako.
First time mo lang ba gumamit ng mask?
Di naman, pero ewan ko nung araw na yun talagang focus ako eh. Hindi ko ma-explain.
Actually, yun din yung secret weapon namin. Naka-mask din kami,
Mask pala.
no? Oo. So, for those of you who are unfamiliar, there are a few of us who use masks during the events. No, I think it also prevents people from reading you. Yun din kasi yung pinaka strategy doon, no? Also syempre health,
Oo.
no? But I
Madaming
think
tao
yun nga
eh.
parang for the more perceptive players, it adds a little bit of shroud that makes them double think their actions, no? So again, parang hindi namin alam kung secret ba siya or hindi, but we're sharing it now kasi we feel that it works for us. Kung
Mm.
it works for you, then okay. No, but end of the day, again, we're always here to pull each other up.
Ako din kaya mag-mask. Kasi siguro ako natalo. Madaldal ako eh. Mahilig ako makipag-usap sa kalaro ko. Kaya I don't know if they read me because of that, or maybe, I'm just having too much fun and I forget to think sometimes.
Although, pwede rin strategy. Kinakausap mo yung kalaban mo
Para
para
ma-distract siya.
ma-distract siya. Again,
Kinig-kinig mo.
kanya-kanyang attack lang to the, to the match, no?
So yun nga, what's important is that you have fun. And I think you had a lot of fun naman, di ba, Mark? I think.
Had a lot of fun naman.
Well, yeah, speaking of fun, speaking of that experience, DLC Hong Kong, kami ni Ian, na-share na namin to nung isang episode nung yung Lorcan Tea Thoughts namin, kung ano yung mga fun moments. Ikaw naman, ano yung mga naging...
New segment.
Ano yung mga memorable sa'yo in and out of game moments in DLCHK? You can give us probably 2 or 3 para hindi naman gan kahaba, but give as much as you can remember. Para lang makita din ng mga ng mga tao, mga listeners natin, mga viewers natin. Parang how fun a DLC can be.
I think for me, yung mga memorable moments, yun yung makakasama kayo. Like,
Aw, thank you.
kasi parang as I
Oo.
mentioned before, na-blackout ko na sa memory ko yung ano eh, yung like moment na nag-top 4 ako. I don't know kung ano reaction ko nun or what or how I felt. Pero siguro sobrang saya ko nun. Pero ang mas naalala ko talaga na nag-stay kayo until the end, gano'n. Siguro yun yung pinaka-memorable sa'kin. Kasi sabi nga natin 'di ba, the real golden Mickey are the friends you made along the way.
That's true. Totoo yun. Maybe
Ayun,
siguro ngarag ka din na parang, paano ko iuuwi yung uncut sheet ko?
ayun,
Oy, may ano, may
yun nga,
may tag team pa tayo nun,
Oo,
paano
tama,
yun,
may
Dre?
tag team pa. You know what?
tied yun sa ano, sa other memorable memory ko.
Ah,
Kasi 'di ba namomroblema tayo nung paano natin uwiin yung ano, yung uncut sheet. So,
ah.
di ko talaga makalimutan nung tinanong ko si Dimitri, "How are you going to bring that home?"
Nakita namin yung reaction niya parang,
Hindi niya pala,
Baliw siya eh.
hindi niya
Hindi
pala,
niya alam na
hindi niya alam, binigyan pa natin siya ng problema.
Problema.
Pinagtawanan rin yata siya ni Douglas.
Ah.
Nakakatawa eh.
sobrang namroblema siya nun eh.
Pero ano,
Yung ano eh.
Although it turned
sinuwerte
out
siya
okay
doon.
for him.
Sinuwerte siya
Sinuwerte
doon.
siya doon.
Parang kasi, yun nga, ikwento na rin namin na parang yung nangyari nun, yun nga, namumroblema si Dimitri, di ba? Kami din namumroblema. Ayun, and we decided to give up and get out of the venue. Dala-dala namin yung cut sheet na para kami nagpo-posisyon.
Laki.
And
Ang
then,
laki namin.
nakita namin si Dimitri, bumaba, walang dala. So it's like, ayun, so tinanong siya ni Mark, di ba? Ano yung tinanong mo sa kanya? Oh, where's your uncut sheet? Tapos sabi niya, oh, I saw that it had damage and I returned it to them. So they just said that they will send me one through the mail. Tapos nung nalaman yun ni Mark, parang ano, oh, you can do that? Please, damage it. Kick it.
Sipain na natin to para masira.
Para ibabalik na lang. Pero at the end of the day, hindi natin ginawa. So, yun. Kaya nagkaroon pa tayo ng that historic DHL trip in the morning.
Daming tao nun. On the way.
Lahat ng nakakita sa atin tumitingin eh kung
Oo
Oo.
nga
ano
eh.
ba dala ng mga to.
Oo. Naisip ko parang there was this one girl din.
Yung girl na
At ano,
nag-walk
diba yung
ng
girl
dog.
tinanong niya,
Oo.
ano yan? Parang,
What are you
"What's
guys
that?
doing?
What are you guys doing?
Si
Tawa
Philip
tayo
yung
mga
sumagot.
ano.
Si Philip yung sumagot, oh, we just won a tournament and it's a prize. Oh, congratulations.
Congratulations!
Tapos, yun na, tuloy tayo. Kasi, di ba, mukha tayo nagpo-position na may untouch.
Cards.
Tapos mga yung mga tao nagtitinginan sa amin, parang, ano yan? Kulto ba to? Bago pa tong relihiyon, ano yung mga, what are these pictures in that large frame? Oh, that was fun. That was so much fun. Ayun, ano pa? Meron pa ba tayo? Meron pa bang mga things that stick out? Maybe
Yan.
interactions with the other
Maybe
players.
interactions
Yung
with
mga
some of
tao.
the players.
Yeah. Naging friend ko din yun yung isang nag-top 8 si Zacarias. Bait din niya kasi nung day before yung side event, parang siya yung first match ko. So usap-usap kami. Kasi yun, nung next day na, nung main event na, after every round nagkakamustahan kami.
That's nice.
Kamusta ganun. So nagse-celebrate kami that we're top 16 we're top 8 ganyan.
Oh,
Ayun.
that's nice.
Nga.
You made a friend. Nakita pa rin.
Actually,
Nakita namin siya sa
actually, yung
airport.
trivia doon nakita namin siya sa airport.
Kaya lang may kausap siya sa phone.
Oo,
Kaya
we
hindi
were,
na.
kakamustahin sana namin kaso nga lang may kausap siya sa phone. So, yun.
Excuse
Sabi
me.
namin, uy, friends of ano, friends of Sunrise.
Golden sunrise to you.
Oh, Golden Sunrise na, Golden Sunrise.
Ayun, anyway, yeah, we had a lot of fun in Hong Kong, and I guess we encourage the community then to try to go to at least one DLC na international. I mean, of course, we don't know yet what's gonna happen in the upcoming DLC Manila. It might be just as fun. Pero kasi iba din yung ano eh, yung, di ba, yung parang kayo yung dayo, you're the one who's trying to prove yourself. Tapos yun nga, you stick with your kabayans because they're the safe space kuno. So yun yung parang ano eh, parang alam mo yun, you're all venturing into this foreign land so you could do well in a tournament, and that just creates a different kind of bond with the people that you share it with. And I'm glad to have shared that with you guys, especially you, Mark, who went really, really far in the tournament, and we got to witness that history because of you. So thank you very much for that. And ngayon na parang nga, we went through that. What is now the best advice that you can give to, the Lorcana players out there, not just for the Philippines, but also in general? As a player, what is the best advice you could give? Not necessarily to get far in the top, but at least to get something good out of the game.
Think, have fun lang, gano'n. Kasi 'pag di na tayo when we're not having fun, parang what's the point, 'di ba?
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, we're here to have fun naman, be kind, gano'n. Pero for the game, focus lang wag mag-tilt. Focus
O
on the match
although,
in front of you, gano'n.
mahirap yung wag mag-tilt kasi may mga tao na natural yun yung kanilang reaction. Try to
Comes with
avoid as much
competition
as
eh.
Hindi, ganito
possible.
na lang. It's okay to tilt, but handle it gracefully. Yun yung mga ganun. Kasi naman, hindi mo maiiwasan minsan mag-tilt. Ako, especially me, di ba, nakwento nga yung nangyari dun sa set champ sa Infinity with Sure. Nag-tilt ako nun, pero hindi naman ako nag-tantrums. Yun lang, yung parang nag-panic lang ako. But, yung mga ganong instances. But, I guess that's also, again, napapansin din natin sa Lorcana community. Actually, yung sinabi nga ni Marcus, it's parang, it's not an uncommon thing to hear from a Lorcana player. Parang we're here to have fun. Even though we're in a competitive setting, it's very rare for a Lorcana player to forget to have fun. Kahit si Earl Meister kwento ko lang din nung when we were there. Kasi syempre, Earl Meister's actually very, very nice guy. Pag nakita niya ang Pilipino ka, he's gonna be like, oy, kabayan talaga tawag niya sa'yo.
Kabayan talaga.
Kabayan talaga tawag niya sa'yo. Nakita niya ako na yun nga, I didn't do well in my run. Nakita niya ako, nakaupo lang doon, nagbabala-bala sa and said, kabayan, how are you doing? Sabi ko, of course, I didn't do well. Same here, I'm barely surviving, sabi niya. Tapos, but are you having fun? Tapos sabi ko, yes, of course. Tapos sabi yun, he has said the exact same thing. We're not having fun, what's the point? So I guess it's a testament to the general mentality of a Lorcana player. Even the pros, even a seasoned pro like Earl Meister. Na talagang, and I guess, yun nga, ikaw din, Mark. Even someone who has achieved something that great still never forgets to have fun.
Pero feel ko kailangan ko rin kunin yung sarili kong advice na focus lang tsaka wag kabahan. Kasi pati na kinakabahan.
Well, ngayon, siguro sa next one, hindi ka nagan ka. Kasi
Yeah.
nagawa mo na eh.
Nandun ka na
No,
eh.
I think it's also since everybody's first
Mm.
rodeo with the DLC. Parang first time mong ma-feature match, first time mong umabot sa ganito. So, may kabat talaga. Kasi it's something that we're unfamiliar with. But I'm pretty sure na pag ma-feature match uli si Mark, hindi na siya ganun kakabado.
Dapat.
Feel
Naka-XP
ko
na.
kabahan pa rin.
Dapat okay lang, again, okay lang kabahan, but handle it gracefully.
Saka patience, more patience.
More patience.
More patience. Dapat bago ka mag-feature match, more patience, more patience, more patience.
So yeah, hingang malalim lang. But yun nga, at least we got to, yun nga, XP din to eh. These are experience points na makukuha natin. And yun nga, hindi natin alam on how it will affect us until it happens again. So, ayun, si Mark, malay mo, ma-feature table ka uli. Let's see how you react.
Alam na.
Sana hindi.
All
Mahirap
eyes on you
mahirap
more.
ma-feature table din, eh.
Oo, mahirap.
Mahirap.
Diba?
But I mean, like, pag nandun ka, it's something that you could always go back to, I
Mm.
guess. But again, kung talo ka, kinda sucks na nandun yung kung panalo ka,
Na-televise.
okay din. But again, it's not something that you easily get din, eh. I mean, like,
Mm.
from the hundreds of players that are available, parang random rin ang pupunta ka sa feature table. Again, the more you play, the more you stay, mas
Mm.
mataas yung chance
Sino
No,
ba
but-
yung dalawa lang yung alam kong kasama sa
na
contingent
feature.
na feature.
Tatlo ang
tatlo ba?
Pinoy
Si
na
Lance,
napasok. Ay,
si
Lance
Lance,
round 3, I think Waki at
si
round
Waki na
1.
feature pala siya.
Yeah, si Waki
And-
and then si Chester at
Ayun.
the semis.
3 Filipinos made it to the feature table. So, yun. Good
Sabi nga
experience.
ni
Good experience.
sabi nga ni
din.
Lance is first time niyang ma-feature at all. So even though he played a lot of Pokemon,
Mm.
never pa daw siyang
Actually.
na-feature. Kaya he was so excited to get the feature
yun,
table.
and maganda kasi, di ba, from the start pa lang, sinasabi na ni Lance, gusto kong ma-feature table.
feature
and
also
he got
feature.
it. So, yun
Nakuha
yan,
Oo,
na-manifest niya.
na-manifest niya.
Yun. Pero si Mark, hindi nag-manifest eh. Napunta na lang, dito na ako. One game at a
talaga.
time. Nag-one game at a time. Di ba?
Yeah.
Nag-one game
But
at a
again,
time
yung kasi
mentality.
dyan is like, everything will be new
Mhm.
for people once they get to may
Oo.
special guest pa pala tayo. Oh.
Cute.
Oh, hello. Hello.
Meron tayong special guest plus one, di ba? So, I guess yun nga parang just to everybody that yun nga if you have the opportunity to go, please do. Especially now that yun nga the contingent was able to really have a good run, especially capping it off with yung panalo ni Mark ng Golden Mickey. The momentum of people to attend these DLCs are really high. So even in Taipei, marami nagpaplano talaga, no? And yun nga, I think Mark said it perfectly that it's the friends that you and the bonding that you have when you're in the DLC along with your fellow competitors na Pinoy, no? So, and I really like as well yung the dysphoria that was there, no? Actually, hindi lang siya si Rafaelo, hindi lang si Earl, no? Even si Nawaki, sina Toby, sina Sir
Yes,
Edge
si
were
Edge,
really
yeah.
very supportive. Actually, there is also si Mark,
Mark from Hong
Kong.
Kong.
No? So, he was also very supportive, no? So we actually had some kabayans din na Hong Kong based and they were also there, no? So it was really cool hanging out with them as well. So shout out Mark. I
Mark
know
from
that
Hong
you were
Kong.
watching us, Mark from Hong Kong, no? So sinabi na namin that bisita ka sa Pinas, sabi niya. Gio, so we're expecting na pupunta ka, no? But yeah, I mean like pag tayo kabayan, parang iba talaga. And I guess we cannot explain. Ako, DJ, Mark also feels the same. Yun nga, yung camaraderie na na-build during that day was, I think, really very special.
Yeah, it's
for
unique.
all
It's
of
very unique.
for all of us.
Mm.
And mas na-amplify pa yung experience na yon that we had a very good showing
Mm.
all throughout.
Yun nga, like mini-mention natin yung splash damage of happiness na nabigay no, nanalo si Mark. Yun.
Actually, even those that didn't play. Like si Etienne,
Oh.
diba? He was there the whole time. So, and also supporting, diba? Nag-grind siya na side event.
Pero
Pero
yun
yun nga,
sinusubukan din niya tayong tulungan to
Yeah. He was also
how to get rid of that uncut sheet.
din siya, naghanap din ng no? So parang tulong-tulungan talaga.
Naghahanap ng stores, no, ganyan, pwede mag-hold muna.
Hold muna
Galing.
dito. Yun, so nafe-feel ko talaga yung sinabi ni Mark na everybody pulling together the friendships Disney magic.
Yun. Anyway, I guess we're close to capping this interview. But before we go there, I guess we will just like to ask Mark, do you have any messages to the PH Lorcana community? Not necessarily just about the win, but of course to anything that you want to tell them.
Ano lang, thank you lang. Thank you sa support. After nung ano, nakauwi na tayo at lahat.
Mhm.
Nagtingin ako sa Messenger, ang daming mga message, gano'n. Nakakatuwa din basahin. Yan, so thank you din, especially sa inyo, yung mga nanood do'n, nag-stay sa HK mismo. Solid talaga. You know who you are. Thank you, thank you.
You're
Pwede mo
very
naman
welcome.
i-drop yung mga pangalan.
Dami niyo eh.
Isa sa ano, sama na natin yung Team Goat. Yeah. Baka at least isang collective.
Team talaga.
Oh, yeah, yung mga
Actually,
teammates
ano,
mo.
it's not just ano,
Ah,
I'd also like to highlight si JC for being
Yeah,
Oo,
si
grabe.
JC,
hindi
of
siya
course.
kasama sa Team Goat pero si JC was
Cerberus.
also a very solid presence. Again, the Cebu boys.
yeah.
Like they were all there. Sina Lawrence, sina Vince, sina Maceda. I always call him Maceda. Kasi namin yung Mark eh. Kailangan ng distinction eh. No? Nagkataon na yung last name yung nagano ako. But sina Eric, yan. They were
Sina
all
Vince,
there.
Ridenzel.
Talaga, si Ridenzel yan. And
Sila
of course,
Anton
si
at
ano,
Tiff din, nandun
si
at the end.
Tiffany and si Anton.
Anton,
Yeah.
yeah.
Ano din. And of
Sila
course,
Serge din, tsaka
Juancho.
sila Toby.
Juancho and
yeah.
And
Justin
Justin,
were
yeah, of
also,
course.
they were
Yeah.
all there, no? Lahat ng, so na-drop na natin halos lahat ng
Yeah.
tao na pumunta.
Yeah.
So,
Ayaw
All very
mag-mention kasi baka
important.
may makalimutan ng names eh.
Mahirap na.
I think we've
Mahirap.
covered everyone, maybe, almost. No? So kung may nakalimutan man, sorry, kasalanan ko. Yun na lang. Hindi kasalanan ni Mark, kasalanan ko. No?
He is infallible. So, ayun. Thank you very much once again, Mark, for na pinagbigyan mo kami sa invitation na to. And
Hindi. Mas malaki ang gratitude ko para sa inyo. Sinamahan niyo pa ako mag-DHL.
Actually, meron akong isang dagdag na tanong
Okay, sige,
na wala
sige,
dun
sige.
sa ating prepared questions.
Sige.
No? Now that you've tasted a Golden Mickey,
Yeah,
ano yung
dinilaan niya yun
masasabi
eh.
mo sa mga ano yung masasabi mo para sa mga bagong player natin? Because I think we've had because of you and the contingent. Sige, para wala gaano ng pressure. Because of the contingent, suddenly nagkaroon ng mata ang Lorcana sa Pilipinas. No? And we're expecting, not actually just expecting, but we're already experiencing a sudden surge of new players. So, ano yung mensahe mo para sa kanila that are starting out in their Lorcana journey?
Pwede
Good
ba
question.
gayahin yung sinabi ni Douglas?
Sige, bakit hindi? Idol yun.
Okay lang, idol natin yun.
Yeah, sabi niya, just play for fun, play for you. Tapos practice, ganun. Tapos, when the moment is right and when the stars align,
The stars align.
it will happen. Yeah.
Grabe talaga yun.
Douglas, kahit na
Yeah.
hindi mo tumapanood.
Shout out to Douglas Oshley. He was one of the nicest guys there.
Siya
Had a
yung
great
nicest guy na
interaction.
na-meet
Yeah.
ko sa TLC.
So much fun to talk to. Amazing human being. So, meron pa ba tayong mga tanong sa ating super
Wala
special guest? So
Wala
meron akong isa. Sorry, last one.
Wala.
What is next? What is next for Mark Chester Chua?
DLC Manila siguro.
Hindi na tayo. Skip muna sa Taipei.
Muna.
Kami nang
Pahinga
bahala
muna.
doon. Basbasan mo na lang
Yeah.
kami.
Kailangan ng recharge.
Gaya nung sinabi niya nga, it could have been any one of us talaga. Kaya naman eh. Like sa locals, binubugbog niya lang naman ako.
Uy, hindi pa kita natatalo sa locals ha.
Binubugbog mo
So,
rin
ayun.
kami. It goes
So,
both
ayun.
ways.
Depende na
Pinabili
lang sa
anyone
stars
of us
alike.
naman.
Depende sa start line. Kung sino yung nabubugbog sa araw na yun.
Sa Taiwan,
Yeah.
ganun, yun na yung battle cry natin. Gaganon tayo.
Ganun. Ganun. Lahat tayo
Pilipinas!
ganun.
Ayun, I think that is it for now, mga pamangking. Again, thank you very much, Mark, for joining us. And if you have any other questions for Mark, i-comment nyo na lang and we'll make sure that they reach him. And regular watcher naman to si Mark, so malamang makikita nyo yung mga comment na yun. Depende na lang sa kanya kung sasagot siya doon. And yeah, that is it. Thank you very much. Please, again, like and subscribe. Let us know what you think of our content. And thank you very much for the support. Keep on watching. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye.